Welcome to Texas Injection Molding Tim Talk. Kind of like a TED Talk, but we're going to call it a Tim Talk. And today I'm here with Butch Baker. He's manager of our tooling and engineering, and he loves to talk technical. And so today we're going to talk about cavity balance studies. So tell me exactly, what is a cavity balance study?
Here at Texas Injection Molding, we like to make sure that any multi-cavity tool, whether it's one cavity, two cavity, we get some 32 cavity molds up here, that the cavity will fill at the same rate and viscosity to where when it fills out at say 98%, where you switch over from volume to pressure, you are within 3% of any one of those cavities. So
Right.
if it's two cavities all the way up to, I think the most we have here is a 32 cavity mold. So the reason that that's important is every cavity that comes out of that mold is the exact same size, the exact same part weight, the exact same quality. Because our goal here personally is plus or minus 3% on any one of those cavities, regardless of the cavity count.
So how do you, when you do a study, what are the things we got to do on the floor to set up that study, to do the study? So how do you do the study?
Well, that's, our procedures here, they dictate once they go through the process development, cavity balance study is, I don't know, the last 25% or so of that process development. And we will do a series of short shots until we'll do 25, 50, 75, and we'll get all the way up to say 90% plus full. And then we'll take that complete shot. You can kind of see the parts that we have here. And then we will physically go weigh each individual part and see if they are within the 3% of each other. Because, scientifically it says if you're more than 3% delta, you're going to get a different part, right? Whether it's a part size or part weight. Maybe in this particular case, the diameter is super critical. Mm-hmm. So it's critical for us to get these four cavities balanced. And you can see this is a part clearly not within 3%. So we've got work to do either in the feed system, the gates, or even the part geometry itself. But we start with a part that's 95% full. We weigh those part weights individually, and we'll do that over 10 shots to make sure we're not getting abnormal readings with the part weight.
Well, hopefully that helps you with the cavity balance studies, what it is, why we do it, how it impacts the quality. And so tune in next time for the Tim Talks number 2.